there's one thing I want to share with you today. Remember, life is short. You know what I'm saying? Love as much as we can. Show love as much as we can to your people, to your friends, your family. We see today, we don't know about tomorrow. We can see people right now, few minutes later, they're gone. The truth is, love is priceless. There's no price for it. But guess what? That's the free thing we can give to our people. We can show love for free because we have to show love. We have to show compassion. We have to be there for them. The best way to show the beauty of Haiti is by sharing our videos, is by letting your friends know about us. It's inviting your friends to share and at the same time to subscribe to our YouTube channel, also to follow our page. Now, what you have to do, you see this name right here on the bottom? It says Kompa Instructor. So just type it on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also go on Instagram, type the same name, Kompa Instructor. Follow our page because we want more people to see the beauty of what we're doing. Thank you so much. I love you. I see you soon for another video. Don't forget, subscribe. It's all about love, peace, joy, and happiness. Thank you. Subscribe.